Hi friends, welcome back to another recipe video. In today's video, I'll share 3 types of sandwich ideas and a dessert which is made of bread. Hope you would like this video, so keep on watching. The first sandwich will be a simple egg toast. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized eggs. Beat the egg with a fork until the yolk and white are combined. Add pepper and salt. Beat the eggs until the volume of beaten egg increases and you will observe a change in its color. Heat a pan with oil. Add the beaten foamy egg mixture to it. Leave the egg mixture cook for seconds in the pan and then scramble it. Do not overcook it. When it is half done, turn off the heat. Apply butter to the slice of bread. Take a spoonful of scrambled egg and place it on a slice of bread with a slice of cheese. Toast the sandwich on a heated pan. The simple egg sandwich is done. Next sandwich will be the salmon and corn sandwich. Heat a pan with oil. Add mustard seeds. Cumin seeds. When they splutter, add the chopped garlic. Add the green chilies. Add the sliced diced onions. Saute them well. Add the salmon to the sauteed onions and garlic mix. Add pepper, and salt. Cook them for 5 to 6 minutes. Here I have taken boiled white corns. Using a sharp knife, slice down the cob to remove the kernels. Add the kernels to a grinder and grind into a smooth paste by adding a little water. Add the grinded paste to a bowl. Add 1½ tablespoon of mayonnaise with pepper and salt. Combine them well. Add a dollop of the corn mixture to the sliced breads. Add the salmon mixture on top of it. Toast the bread on a heated pan and the salmon and corn sandwich is done. Last but not least, the cucumber yogurt toast. Here I have taken half of a cucumber. Peel the cucumber. Deseed the cucumber and cut it into small chunks. Add 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt along with pepper and salt. Mix them well. Add the cucumber yogurt mix to the toasted bread. For the bread pudding, I have removed the edge of the bread slices. Crush the bread slice using your hand or a food processor. Add 4 eggs into a blender, or you can beat it. Add 5 tablespoons of sugar into it. Add the breadcrumbs. Add a glass of milk and blend them well. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add the mixture to a bowl and seal it with aluminium foil. I have added water to the cooker to boil. When the water is boiled, place the bowl on a steam pan and close with the lid. Let it steam for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, using a clean fork, check whether the pudding has been cooked well. If the pricked fork comes out with a clean surface, the pudding is well cooked. I love to eat bread pudding with a scoop of ice cream. That's all for today's video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.